Hi, Jonathan. It's Kristen. Um, I just want to say last week and this week, it's just so clear how much your poems are improving, how you've been lengthening them, how you've gotten better at including sensory detail. And this week in particular, and especially your second poem, it's really funny and it's hard to write humorous poems. So I'm excited to see all of this growth over the last couple of weeks in your work. I think you're doing a fantastic job. So I do see for your first poem, your question is you've been struggling with details and is this getting better? It definitely is getting better. And the kinds of things that are making it better is I feel like by week one of this class, you would have written something like grass and trees, right? But here you also include the details of water, sky, green, clear, blue, trimmed, sometimes not, clouds making the sky. So all of that additional detail, all of that sensory detail makes us as your reader follow along with you in a much more engaged way. So excellent work. And I like the juxtaposition between the mundane and the ordinary. I like that you're flip-flopping between each stanza. That works. I think that form works really well. The second one, your second poem, I think it's really quite funny. So it does feel like it ends abruptly. So you are talking about the peas, and I think the narration from the perspective of the peas works really, really well. I love that the peas are judging the other vegetables. I think it's really funny. I think referring to corn on the cob as a diva is just hysterical. But I also wanted to hear about what the peas thought of broccoli and what the peas thought of lentils. So if you were to rewrite this poem, I would recommend expanding it just two more stanzas and let the peas weigh in on those two other vegetables. Okay, thank you so much, Jonathan. I look forward to seeing where you go with this.